Step into a world of design elegance as we embark on a visual journey through 10 awe-inspiring open-concept living rooms nestled within the heart of Los Angeles. These contemporary spaces are meticulously curated to embrace the radiant glow of Californian sunlight, infusing each corner with a warm and inviting ambiance. Each living room is a canvas that reflects the city's trend-setting culture and cosmopolitan allure, evoking a sense of modern luxury that resonates throughout the space. A simple click of the like button and subscribing to our channel will keep you connected with our creative explorations. Your support fuels our passion to share the art of living beautifully. From the meticulously selected furniture to the thoughtfully placed curtains, every detail has been carefully orchestrated to perfection. The result is a living room that transcends mere design and becomes a true work of art, capturing the very essence of sophisticated urban living.